Alright, we got playbook now, so here we go. Good luck to everybody. Okay. There's a fat book right there. Alright, here we go. Pack 1 of playbook. Oh, that's a nice looking card. Mark Carrier. Multicolored patch, numbered out of 10 for the Bears. Congrats to the Bears. There we go. Okay, next pack. This one will be going to the Jets. It's a Demario Davis auto. At a 140. Got a redemption. Common signatures for the Titans, Jake Locker. Jake Locker, card 71. Card signatures. Okay, now we got a booklet here. Okay, yeah, somebody just got something pretty sick. I'm gonna shoot a block for Vaughn first. So here we go. Boom. RG3 booklet auto. 2-color patch. Boom. Congratulations to the Redskins. So, yeah, that's a pretty good way to end the break. So, congrats to everybody. Thanks for watching.